NWA 1929, roll one, scene one, take 112, and action. Steve Arnold here from Science Channel's Meteorite Men with a really fun offering. This is a meteorite. It's the name of it's Northwest Africa, 1929, the 1929th meteorite recovered and classified out of the Sahara in Northwest Africa. This particular meteorite is of a really rare class. It's an achondrite howardite HED stone meteorite. And this is an example of one of them, and I know you have to be patient and see the really good pictures for the individual pieces. This particular meteorite, it's got an incredible story on how it formed. It is pretty much believed that the Howardites came from the asteroid 4 Vesta, which is the second largest asteroid out in space, in the asteroid belt. And it came from a region, the really deep part of Vesta is a diagonite, and which is the D portion of the HED, which you see up here. Eucrites are from the surface, the molten kind of flowing material, rocky area. And then the Howardites are a mixture, so it has to have more than 10% diagonite, less than 90% diagonite, for it to be classified as a Howardite. It is a little rock collection in a box. You can see different class in there. And Howardites, when I got started 18 years ago, and even up until 10 years ago, were incredibly rare. You'd have to spend $500 to $1,000 to get a piece of a Howardite. Well, Northwest Africa is one of the reasons why the commercialization of meteorites is just so incredibly great, not only for collectors but for science, because dozens and dozens of these have shown up. They're still relatively rare. It's a really rare type. And there's so many more ordinary chondrites out there that these achondrites, and there's quite a few more eucrites than Howardites. Howardites, there's less, and then diagonites tend to be even a little bit more rare. But the Howardites are the ones that are really fascinating. They're really incredible in thin sections to look under a microscope, because it's just a rock collection, just pieces and parts mixed all over the place. So anyway, I had one, a chunk of one. I sliced it up. So these are a little bit more expensive than other ones, but not too terribly expensive. A great story, great meteorite. If you want to take your collection up beyond just ordinary things or really common types, this is a good step to go. Still quite affordable. You can get a little piece of this from, probably $30 up to $100. So nice, affordable pieces. Check them out. Grab one if you like one.